Do what you love but call it work, and throw a little money in a plate at church, and send your prayers up in your roost down deep. Add a few limbs to your family tree. Watch their pencil marks in the grass in the yard. All grow up, cause the truth about it is it all goes by real quick. And you can't buy happiness, but you can buy dirt.
Before you get caught on that ladder, let me tell you what it's all about. I'll find you a few things that matter that you can put a fence around. And then he laid it out. Buy dirt, find the one you can't live without.